Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, kapilan ni hi guys. So anyway, in today's video, we're gonna review about this. We're gonna review this cream blush. Yes, by Fenty. This Fenty Beauty Cream in the shade Pinky Primrose.
Say Pinky Primrose, Pinky Prom.
Sorry. Which yung Primrose?
Balik naman.
So sige, balik-balik. As you can see, naka-swatch na me.
Ready na.
And then, for some reason, this camera...
Yung ako po, memory full.
Guys, we're gonna show you what it looks like on my skin and on Big Summer's skin. So, as you can see, Big Summer has a but she has lighter skin tone than mine. So, makita mo si Big Summer. When you see Big Summer, like, you could really tell, like, girl, you need some sun. Like, expose yourself, do some sunbathing and whatsoever. Ako, nadyo ko sa medium shade. Like, di ko kapasargid even the lightest, even the deepest shade sa light nga shade nga range. Nagid ko sa medium. So, anyway, this is what it looks like. So, on the pan, mag-think mo nga, oh, it's very pink. But actually, coral gid siya, like, gani siya, oh, ni siya nga shade.
Yeah.
Si Pinky Promise, not Pinky Primrose. It's Pinky Promise. Tungod siya doon yung,
Mag-antay ka!
So we're gonna do application. So Big Summer will just use her fingertips while mine. I'm gonna use brush here. I'm gonna do brush.
It's okay. Yan. Nindot mo sa ng camera.
Yeah.
I mean, on audio rather.
So I'm just gonna use my... I don't have mirror here, so I will use...
Mirror. When it comes to creams, I like to use my hands.
Ako, like, kuhan siya. So I'm gonna over-apply it, okay? So that you guys could really see what it looks like.
May mahurot na lang din yung blush.
Ano, dili pag siya mahuman ng vlog. Oh my gosh.
Kapag yung na-press play. Or na-press the player.
Okay, go.
So this is the blush on me, on my skin. So it's very corally. It's giving summer vibes. You're out in the sun. Yeah. It's not really my shade.
That's why she gave it to me. Not really give, no. She did not give it like wholeheartedly. No, barter mini Big Summer. So this is what it looks like on my skin. Nice or good siya. Actually, you know, I like it. Like 10 over 10 ako ganun. It's not patchy. It's not... It's nice.
It has shimmer, but nice kay ang shimmer niya. Dili siya pang judge na shimmer.
Lately, I have been using this good, and then I set it with the Orgasm powder blush, NARS powder blush, and I really like it. Price point, for me, it's worth it. Like 1,800, diba?
Yeah.
But she bought it on sale. 1,200?
Sephora, Philippines.
Okay, so yeah, it's nice. Actually, if you were to ask me whether I will buy it again, I will definitely buy it again. But mupalit ko ani, siguro kanang naka-sale kid. Like mupa-notify ko sa Sephora when they're on sale. Inana siya.
Basta gamay siya for me.
Yeah.
But of course, it's Fenty. Expected na good siya.
So does it stay long? For me, good 5 hours good siya. 6 hours. And mind you, naglako-lako kami sa Crimson. Sa J Park under the heat of the sun, and it's still there.
The heat.
Maybe because I set it with a powder, but it's nice, man. Good. If you're using cream blush, it's really nice to set it with a powder blush or set it with a powder so that it'll stick and it'll stay longer. Like maybe 8 hours, good 8 hours. So
Agree.
What do you think?
I like it, but I don't like the color. I thought sa app, it's lighter pink, but I didn't expect it to be corally. The first time I saw...
So mas feeling niyo mas mo compliment siya sa akong skin.
Yeah. She looks so good on it. Like, it looks natural on her. Like, it looks flushed on her. First time ko kita ni pag open, ginoy ko, ay, Big Summer ganyan shade.
Yeah.
Because it's not made. For some reason, coral peach colors doesn't look good on me. What should
Ganahan ka more darker mga
okay, mga mauve.
kana lagi like Dolce Vita.
Yeah, Dolce Vita.
Okay.
I like but lighter like Dolce Vita pag.
Ganahan ko ginanidan yan like kana drunk blush whatever.
Yeah, drunk blush. What else?